What is the standard form equation of the parabola that has the vertices at positive and negative 6, 0 and foci at positive and negative 2 square roots of 10, 0? You don't really have to sketch the graph of this if you know how to work with all the formulas without seeing a picture, but sometimes seeing a picture helps. So I'm going to draw my vertices at positive and negative 6, 0. And I also know that the foci are at positive and negative 2 square roots of 10. If you put this in your calculator, you get approximately positive and negative 6.3. So if we go to 6.3, it's somewhere here, negative 6.3 is somewhere here. So we know that our hyperbola looks something like this. That means it's going to be horizontal. Of course, you could have just looked at those points and known that it was a horizontal hyperbola. I just like to see it in picture form. So how do we know what's going on? Well, from here to here, this is 6 units, and this represents our A. Make sense? We also know that from here to the center is our C, and that's going to be 2 square roots of 10. So we know our A and we know our C. From there we can find our B. So let's see what we have. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So 2 square roots of 10 squared is equal to 6 squared plus B squared. If you square this, if you square 2, you get 4. And if you square the square root of 10, you get 10. So that's going to be 4 times 10, which is 40. We can subtract 36 from both sides, and we get 4 is equal to B squared, which means B is plus or minus 2. So that means from the center, we go up, so that is going to be the point 0, 2, and we go down, that's going to be the point 0, negative 2. Alright, so what do we do with this information? Well, we know it's horizontal, so we start with our x squared. X squared is over A squared. A was 6, so A squared is 36. We know it's a hyperbola. The next one is y squared. It's over B squared, which is 4, and it's equal to 1.